Hey glitter babies, welcome back to my channel. It is me, your girl LaTHRIFTY, and I am back with another hair video. So if you want to see what hair I am rocking today, then just stay tuned. But I was taught to put my losses in the lesson. Okay, let's jump right on into it. Per usual, I am going to tell you the lipstick that I am wearing today. The lipstick I'm wearing today is from ColourPop, and it is in the color Limbo. The words have actually came off. I've had this lip gloss for lipstick for a really long time, but it is in the color Limbo, and it is a wand, which I love. And it's by ColourPop. So moving on to the hair details. Okay, this is a affordable Amazon lace front unit. It comes pre-plucked with baby hairs, as you can see. The hair that I am rocking in my hair is 12 inches. They do have longer lengths on their website if you want to go a little bit longer. This hair is so soft and it was so easy to put on. I'm going to insert a little clip of what the hairline looked like prior to me doing anything to it. And when I say doing something to it, I literally mean just like gluing it down and cutting the baby hairs a little bit shorter. But I did not have to pluck this hairline at all, which is the best thing. Because, you know, when we were thinking about wigs and stuff like that, we're looking for sort of like really bomb wigs, but like low maintenance, especially for people who don't really wear wigs. You kind of want to get a wig that's already fixed up that you can just kind of throw on your hair and go, especially if you don't really know what you're doing. So this is a great unit for that, and it's not long. This wig is 150% density, and I believe that it is true to that. When I put the hair on, I didn't see any thinness anywhere. As you can see, I'm running my fingers through it. It is very soft. I decided to do a messy top ponytail just because I've been rocking a lot of wavy hair lately, but I haven't actually put it in a ponytail. So I decided to put it in a ponytail this time. The wig does have combs in the front. It has a comb up at the top, and it has your adjustable straps at the back. It is a full lace wig from ear to ear in the perimeter. It does not have any lace at the back, which I don't mind, because sometimes I forget to cut the lace off back there, because the shorter wigs I don't put in a ponytail, so I'm not really looking at the back of my head. So I would have been to put my whole wig on, and then I'm scratching the back of my head like, oh, was some lace back here. But no, there's no lace at this one. It's just a just the adjustable strap and just the wig comb. This wig is under $70. The 12-inch is under $70. I'm going to drop those links to purchase the hair below if you're interested in purchasing, if you like what you see. The parting space on this wig is great as well. It is a 13x4 parting space, so you have a good bit of parting space from ear to ear. Actually, I don't know why somebody be parting their hair at the ear, but if you want to, go ahead. This hair is in their Brazilian deep wave style. So you can see I washed it, I conditioned it, and the waves went nowhere. This hair is so soft. The waves went nowhere. So now I'm sure that you want to know whose hair is this? What's the name of the hair company, please? Come on, the name of the hair company. The name of this hair company is LSY Hair, and I will leave that link down below as well so you can purchase yours. It is LSY Hair. Very simple name. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I can tell y'all about this hair. No, I'm loving it. I like it. I've been rocking this short hair lately. I do have some long hair that I'm gonna do for y'all. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss that video, because it is coming really soon. I'm gonna give y'all some long hair don't care. Well, my type of long hair don't care. You know, I don't really do the 26, 30 inches and stuff like that, but My next review is the hair is gonna be longer than this. These are lashes. If y'all are true to me, you already know. These are from LS Glams, which is my lash line. If you are not following that page, then you need to do so. I am going to leave that information for you down below as well. Do y'all hear the train? I mean, okay, well, at least he blew us home one time. I'm gonna leave that information down below for y'all as well, so y'all can follow me on my lash page, follow me on my personal site, subscribe to this channel for more. There you go again, the wind. That's that fall weather, y'all. Y'all ready for that fall? Oh, shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Look at them shoulders, honey. You look strong. This shirt makes me look like I've been in the gym, and I ain't been in nobody's gym, but them shoulders are giving me. Okay, well, that is about all that I have for y'all when it comes to this hair hunty. Let me know what you all think. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you don't like it. Let me know if there's any wigs that you want me to review down below, and I will see you in my next video. Deuces. I can make you overdose, make it overflow if you let me. Like a river. Thanks for watching.